fishermen, because there have been a lot of complaints from the fishermen that lots of these trawlers are coming into the waters which they are not supposed to, and since they are bigger boats, most of the fish is taken by those boats, and the traditional fishermen don't have much of fish, and since they fish and whatever they get, they live out, their day-to-day living comes out of that. So that was the issue. We went to Philip Dairy for.
So any आश्वासन भी दिला?
We've had a couple of meetings of this kind before, but now the problem is boats. There are no patrolling boats right now. I think the one or two which are there have gone for repairs, and the coastal police have just one boat at their disposal. That is the problem. But we have extended our support to them, and we've, in fact, today also the trawlers came in the evening. I spoke to the coastal police, and they said they would deploy the boats there to make sure that they don't come.
Which area, madam? This is the coast, Kaliyagaon coast.
Orchel.
Katka.
Yeah.
Sidon.
The whole coastal area on that side.
Sidon.